Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building the Tamiya Konghead 6x6 kit, and basically we're going to finish the chassis part today, and the last thing to do is to assemble the tires and mount them onto the chassis. So let's get started. We have to keep in mind that the tires themselves have a chevron tread, so we need to keep them pointed forward. So there is going to be a left tire and a right tire, so we need to be conscious of that. And this is going to be the side that's facing out. This side is going to attach to the axle. So for example, this is going to be the front left of the truck, driver side in America. So we're just going to work these in, probably stretch the tire a little bit. Okay. All right, that was pretty difficult, but we got it done. Again, you can try soaking the rubber tires in warm water if you want to kind of make it a little bit more pliable, maybe a little bit easier for you. Just depends. So let's move on. All right, let's go ahead and attach the wheels onto the chassis, and we'll start on this side in the front where the steering is, and that's going to be this part right here. And we're going to need E10. Those are the hex nuts. They're going to be on this tree right here. Okay, and again, we need to make sure the tire tread is arrows pointing front. So this is going to be on this side. And we're going to need to put in one of the bearings that we had. As well as one of these pins. And while I'm here, I'll just drop a dab of grease. Then we'll attach the hex. Okay, and then we'll attach the wheel. Alright, I set it up onto a couple of the tires, lift it up in the air. I have a wheel nut in there. Okay, let's do the other side. So again, we need to make sure we have the correct tire. So this is facing forward, and it's like this. So we need a bearing. Put a a small thing of grease. Put a pin through that. And then the hex. And then the wheel itself. All right. And we're going to repeat for the other two. Okay, there we go. We got all 6 wheels in. Now let's go ahead and just install the bumper and we'll be ready to go. So let's see, let's grab that first. So we need 2 springs. We need F9 and F5. And we need these step screws. I believe it's going to be that right there. Yep. Okay. It's going to be in this tree right here. So let's see how this goes. Bumper F4. Oh, okay, so we can either choose this one or this one. I think I'm going to choose the bigger one for now. So it's going to be like that. It's going to be like that. So let's slip on those springs. And then let's get that screw in there. Okay, so that's it. There we go. We have completed the Tamiya Konghead 6x6 chassis. And in the next video or in a future video, I'm going to work on the body, mount the pipes and everything, and we're going to follow this right here. I've already painted the body, but I haven't punched any holes or worked on the exhaust yet. So we'll work on that in the future video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.